hungry just to come here to eat.
I'm starving.
Just got my stomach just rumbling, even worse, not up. I'm definitely gonna go get a piece of that. It's one of the sweetest things that you could ever eat.
She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be going into Hackney, London. We're going to an Afro-Caribbean market. We're gonna go get our good up Jamaican food, our good up African food. None of us had African food before. I don't think. You ever had African food? We never had African food, so it's a market. It's probably gonna be like a Jamaican kind of vibe, like market. So they're gonna sell African food, other Caribbean food and products, so clothes. Everything is black owned, so a lot of black owned businesses, they're gonna set up shop in this market vibes kind of thing, and we're gonna see, and we could go and support the thing. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel. And you know I gotta take y'all with me everywhere I go. Y'all gonna experience England with me everywhere I go. I've never been there and y'all never been there, so we going there together. So yeah, anybody live in Hackney or anybody live in London, comment down below so I could know where y'all at. Did y'all go to that? And yeah, see y'all there. People, we reach. We're gonna go pay. Now we can finally go and get our food. So we're here, we paid. Y'all, it is so different here, out here on these streets. Oh my gosh. I am definitely not in my own town. We need to cross. Oh, we can cross. Guys, I'm gonna turn this around and I'm gonna turn this around and show you guys just what's going on. It's so busy out here. If y'all could see me. Yeah, look.
Very small.
Yeah, right, thank you. So guys, we are here at the market. So what's going on? Fruits. Oh.
Seed crop. You've got to make seed crop.
Where? We see soursop. Oh my days, I haven't seen soursop in a long time. Oh wow. Huh? Oh, guys, we have cane. I want cane. Oh my gosh. We have cane. Wow. So we have a lot of stalls. Chef Charles. Will you see jug chicken? Jug fries. Is this a Jamaican place though? Ooh, we got jerk chicken out here, guys. But while we walking through, I want something to eat.
I'm gonna line there.
That's why I'm starving right now, and then we could continue. Or do we want to see what else they have? Should we get jug chicken now? This is so cool, guys. But where's the queue? Oh wow. So guys, I'm gonna queue up to go get some jerk chicken there. The queue is really long. See, I'm all here. We're gonna go and see if we can get a Jamaican patty. Vanessa and Melissa's sister, they're queuing up to wait for the food. So what we can do in the meantime is try and get a patty, a Jamaican patty, because we're at this Jamaican stall. I'm going to show you guys the stall, 1 second. So we're here at the stall. Do you mind if I video? Oh. Okay. Thank you very much. So we're here at Doreen's Jamaican homemade rum cake. Definitely want one of those. You're Doreen?
Doreen's daughter. This is Doreen, my mum.
Oh, okay. Aww. Pretty. Oh, sorry to hear that. So we have, what do we have here? Rum cake.
So we've
we've got rum cake, regular rum cake, grab and go, half sizes,
Okay.
1 can loaves, vegan and gluten free, and we've got some Appleton and lemon with the sun just beating them up. We're not putting too much out. And we've got all this, the sun's smashing it up. So
What is it?
Appleton coconuts.
Oh,
Appleton rum and coconut.
never had that before.
Try that. Nice, really
Okay.
nice and moist, but the sun's just, has it got butter in it?
Yeah.
Just with that sun.
Okay. Can I just get beef patty for the time being?
I've got this saltfish.
Really?
Only one I got left.
Oh wow. You came too late?
Yeah, very late.
Um,
Get one of these then.
yeah, I'll get one as well.
Look, she got a card. Is this a card machine?
Ah, I'm gonna. Do you think everyone has a card machine then?
Yeah, I've them now. I'll take cash as well. It's one of the same separate bags.
So guys, I'm getting a rum cake. I'll get that
Yes, I
one.
was looking at that one.
This is a rum cake and this is for £4, y'all, which is quite expensive for a little piece of cake, but you know it's all about black businesses, black owned businesses, so we're gonna support the movement. So yeah, we buy it, yeah? And let's hope it tastes good. Melissa here struggling to open hers. How she stay? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna try mine then. Yeah, we still in the queue though. It's a long queue. I'm gonna go try the black cake, the rum cake.
It moist nice.
Yeah, rum here.
It's nice, man.
Wow.
Like it.
Yeah.
I don't have any eyes. Does she sell it for 20? I think a bit
It's a
much.
lot. Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. And I'm gonna go and finish eating this cake and come back to y'all. So give me 2 seconds. Let me tear up this cake while I queue up for the food. And when I reach the food, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright? Have patience. Yeah, it's really nice. Vanessa is here. Show that one. This one is £9, the heart shaped one.
from Crystal Garden. I'm going to buy the big one now.
It's very nice. Hi. So guys, I'm just taking y'all through. My friends are still in the queue, waiting to get the food. So I decided let me just walk through so y'all can see. This is where we're waiting. The jerk is going. People are sitting down eating. So yes, guys, that's what's going on. Guys, I'm having fun. I hope y'all enjoying this little video. So I'm going back to queue up now to get my food. Yeah, it's a long queue. We drive almost 2 hours to get to this market, and we still stand up in the queue. We finally reach. We starving. We literally did not eat since we wake up. Huh? Oh gosh. We literally did not eat. Why is it on his face though? Stop it. Come back to me. Yeah, we literally didn't eat. I stayed hungry just to come here to eat. I'm starving. So yeah, in that barbecue, that jerk chicken just got my stomach just rumbling even worse. Not up. So yeah. So guys, so far I see they have cane, sugar cane, something that I haven't seen in a long time. It's since Jamaica days. And they have, what else do they have? We saw sour sop as well. They have sour sop. So before we leave, I'm definitely gonna go get a piece of that sugar cane. For those of y'all don't know, no, not the sour sop. For those of y'all that don't know what sugar cane is, is one of the sweetest things that you could ever eat. So I'm gonna show you guys though if you don't know what it is, because before I leave here, your girl is definitely getting the sugar cane. Yeah, so oh yeah, sugar cane. That's what sugar is made from. No, but that's just for cane sugar, not all sugar. So cane sugar, we actually eat the sugar cane. So yeah, guys, look up there. The train is there. So this is the menu, but some of it they have fried dumpling and chips, ackee and saltfish, veg curry, curry goat, jerk chicken. I'm gonna get this jerk chicken and jerk fries just because I never had jerk fries before. That's quite interesting. Ginger beer, $2.50. Y'all, everything out here, rum punch is £6. Everything out here, the price extra, ton up, you know? Melissa is on a diet. How's the diet going, y'all? See my slim body friend? My friend. Melissa is on a new diet, y'all, so she could get a fruit salad. What you getting for this diet? We on camera. Y'all, the diet out the window today at this market today.
I am getting jerk chicken and jerk fries with a corn and a ginger beer.
That is not very, that don't sound diety.
Okay, the only thing that's okay, the
Wait,
fries.
but don't get the fries then. Oh my gosh, y'all see the grill over there.
Chef Charles Bello.
He is working. So I think this is a jerk burger. It's jerk burger, right? This is a jerk burger. This looks good. Yes. This is him, Chef Charles. He's the chef right there. It's not on you. It's on me. The grill man thought I was filming it, you know? You ain't your time to be famous here, grill man. Don't worry. I would like to get the jerk chicken with the jerk fries and corn as well, please. That's my order in, y'all, but it's gonna take 10 minutes. Sorry, we're gonna go for a walk and come back until it's ready, yeah? So y'all, we have like 10 more minutes for it to be done, and I need to breathe again. I need to show y'all what's going on here. So this is a panero from Uganda. It's minced beef with plantain wrapped around it. Thank you very much. So guys, this is nutrition.kings.exotics. They're on Instagram. Y'all can go and follow them on Instagram.
Oh, I love it.
Cool. Come back to me now. Alright, see ya. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can buy something for my face. Natural skincare products, which is hair turned to nature. I'm getting the turmeric and the tea tree soap for my face. Hopefully that can help my face. What is it, 2 for $10? I can give you cash, right? So guys, we're back in the car. Y'all see we waited a whole hour. We've been in the line for like an hour, literally, yeah. And we just get through, and it looked like Chef Charles ain't give us a whole chicken. I'm gonna show y'all the food because we supposed to get a whole chicken leg, and I see him chop it up, and it wasn't a lot. But it looks like he's very popular because everybody did the queue. The line was so long just to get his food. So I'm about to go and taste this chicken. I'm gonna show you guys anyway. Nessa, let's show yours. I'm gonna show Nessa on so y'all can see how it look. This is Vanessa. This is a jog chicken. So it's jog chicken, corn, and jog fries. This is jog. What is it? a jerk burger with fries, and they put cheese on it. So this look nice. That bun look nice though, I'm not gonna lie.
A Tesco bun. I see when you put out the
Oh, is it? But the way them do it though, it's nice. So yes, guys. Melissa, how we doing?
Yeah, good.
So anyways, pick up yourself, guys, and I'll see you guys a bit later. We're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna show you a little bit of Hackney High Street because we never been here, and I think this is the High Street. We're not going to see the street. Oh, I thought y'all wanted to see it, no? Okay, people, y'all ain't gonna see Hackney today. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna get to see Hackney today because we have to go to the supermarket. Melissa needs to go shopping and stuff like that. So we're gonna eat, and then, oh yeah, it might take us 2 hours to get back. By 7 o'clock, yeah. So anyways, I'm going to go eat, people. See y'all in another video. Thank you for watching. Big up yourself. Love you guys. Bye.
Eating.